New requirements are arriving, taking into account the challenges of the modern design processes. Simulations have to be more closely connected with the design process. It's very easy to say, but not easy to realize. We need some new technologies, we need some innovative solution in order to realize it. And FloEFD products, it's exactly the step on that direction.
FloEFD is a general-purpose 3D CFD tool capable of simulating a great variety of applications. The software automatically controls the use of models and applies the appropriate model in case the numerical model is not efficient enough for the given mesh resolution. This dramatically simplifies the requirements for the mesh and makes the task definition easier and faster while keeping high accuracy. Design engineers can understand product behavior earlier at early design stages, can recognize and fix issues early. And they can also reduce workload from analysis experts and release them for more complicated CFD analysis.
From user's point of view, it is a possibility to run the simulation exactly inside your design process. It's a front-loading CFD. From technology point of view, it's a unique combination of perfect engineering solutions and full 3D calculation. I like the term front-loading CFD. It's really explains the place of FloEFD in the design process.
Companies need to get their design much faster to the market today. The design cycle has been speed up so fast that the traditional CFD tools cannot really cope anymore with the complexity of the design in that fast design cycle. So therefore we developed FloEFD to be front-loading the CFD process into the design process.
The main task of mechanical design engineer is design, not a simulation. He needs simulation to be competitive in order to involve innovation, and therefore he needs a tool. But this tool has to be supplementary for him. Classical CFD is a tool for analysts, and if mechanical design engineer will use this tool, he needs to spend a lot of his time, and therefore he will not able to solve his main task. Therefore, mechanical design engineer needs such tool which is able to give him the accurate result but do not require some special knowledge. FloEFD is exactly this tool. And even more, FloEFD, of course, can be an excellent tool also for analysts. If the company is fully satisfied with the performance, with the quality, with the timing and with the costs, it makes absolutely no sense to change the already existing solution for something new. If you really need something, a new innovation, if you need to go to the new markets, if you need to minimize your costs and be competitive, you need to search for innovations. You need to search for new solutions. Therefore, you need to think how to do the simulation and the design together. And here FloEFD is an optimal tool.